We go out in the rain.
You need anything else? Or you good?
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
I know. I got to be the tragedy. Hi. Wait, are your kids outside playing?
Hello.
They came in. Oh, they were having so much fun running around in the rain.
Can't even think about it. Come on. It'll pass through. Right it back out there.
It doesn't even look dark over there anymore.
That's because it's right over the house.